In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your website in WordPress. Whether you're aiming to reinforce your brand identity or just want a fresh look, including a logo is a great start. So let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to wordpress.com. This is where the magic begins. Once you're there, find and click the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. When I log into websites, I often find it's the simplest step, but it's important to make sure you're entering the correct details. Next up, click on Continue with Google. If you're like me and have all your accounts synced, this option is a lifesaver. It's quick, secure, and saves you the hassle of remembering yet another password. Simply choose your Google account from the list. Make sure it's the one associated with your WordPress site, and you're in. Now once you're logged in, look for Appearance in your dashboard. It's your one-stop shop for design changes. Click on it, and then click on Customize. This will take you to a new menu where all your theme's customization magic and options live. In this customization menu, click on Site Identity. This is where you'll manage everything related to your site's name, logo, and icon. Under Site Identity, find and click on Site Icon. This is the specific section where we can upload our new logo. To proceed, click on Select Site Icon. When you click here, a dialog will open to allow you to browse your computer files. Navigate through your files and find your logo. It's always a good idea to ensure your logo is optimized for web use. Typically a PNG with a transparent background works best here. Once you've located your logo, upload it and then click Select. Now with your logo uploaded, there's one last thing to do to make sure everything is live. At the top left corner of the customization menu, you'll see the Save Changes button. Go ahead and click that. This step ensures that all your hard work in uploading and selecting the logo is saved and published on your site. And there you have it, your logo is now proudly on display for your visitors to see. Adding a logo not only makes your website professional, but also helps visitors recognize your brand immediately. Remember, each customization reflects your brand's values and aesthetics, so make sure your logo does too. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.